So what did that thing say? It didn't say nothing.
Say what?
Did you it just showed you that, but did it go into full detail about everything about them and all that? It just showed that little percentage thing where it showed fair and all that, right?
Yeah, it showed all the family.
I couldn't get that far.
Oh. Well, just go on.
And what did it say? I mean, what kind? Did you screenshot it?
No, I had just, what I had sent to you was,
The link thing. But then it tell you to do this, you do this, and
I don't know where I did all that. It's supposed to send it to that page.
no, it took me to a thing where it just showed a picture of her sitting on the bed with Nazir when he was a baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm just saying. Look, Nazir. Look. Let's see what it on the little baby. Who had that? It's online. Oh, wow. She said it nice. Martha. Google their names, just take this up like people.
Actually, all I did, I Googled my mama name and I found that website. And then it showed like all the family members. And then I pressed on the one that had Jennifer and hers had a picture too.
All you did was type in Michelle's name.
Yeah. I put my name in. It said Belly Barnes in North Carolina.
And
Damn, why you ain't got my address?
oh, you do. You have everything.
And they had my green card in the yard too.
That's red blood therapy.
This one got my address right here.
Look, Michelle, look, 609 North 30th Street.
That's crazy.
42. And look at her picture.
Oh, they got that picture we had from her obituary there. You seen that one? Yeah. Alright. Jason staying the night we got on.
Used to live in Wilmington, Concord.
Mitchell Barnes, Detroit.
My lifestyle.
Mitchell Barnes, 48. Related to Beverly, Smith Aaron, Pauletta, Audrey Eloise Barnes. Wow. Hello? Jason staying the night? You know what time that is? Oh, okay. Alright.
Goodbye. I hope you love this video. Have a good last week. Now, but right here, just subscribe. Shit, gotta make sure all of our latest awesome videos. Please subscribe now.
You like catfish? Yeah. You like that? I'm watching TV on my phone. Yeah. Got to see the late side. I got the roll chair. I'm great. got
Here
me
is
a
good
big
fried with vegetables, fruit,
Universal
coming off,
City.
well,
Oh,
Brian,
really?
this is out
Hardcore
here.
Captain Henry.
That's the most special.
I live 50 miles far. Oh, you got the edge.
It's either someone you know or I have into it.
It's a girl.